Welcome back to the channel. It's Adam the First Man, give you a little snapshot of my studio, and I call it organized chaos. So all my tools are right where I know they are, and everything looks a little bit disarray, but in fact it's perfectly organized for my workspace. I know where everything is. It works well for me, and you know, other people are hyper organized and some people are way messier than I am at their workbench, but this is mine, and you know, it can always use a little tidying up. But today, let's size a ring. So we're going to use, as the title entails, torches and mandrels. That's like a daily thing when I'm sizing a ring. This one's going down, actually up, about 3/4 of a size. We're going to an 8. So you'll see me walk through the process and what I do, where I cut the ring, open it up to an 8, and find a piece of gold scrap that I can put in there, 14 karat, so it matches the ring. And we're going to solder it in there, and then I'm going to go through the whole process of cutting the excess off, grinding, filing, sanding, and finally polishing. And that's what it's all about. This one, a customer just came in unannounced and said, "Can you size this ring for me?" And I said, "Absolutely. Why don't you come back in about an hour?" So I was able to get this done for him in an hour. He was, ecstatic that I could get it done so quickly. And so I thought I'd make a quick video of it. And guys, honestly, sometimes I wonder, why am I even making these videos? You know, the YouTube ninjas out there tell you that just keep putting out content. Keep putting out content and your channel will grow and you'll find your true fans, etc., etc. And I've been at this for about a year, pretty consistently. Between long form and short form videos, I have about almost 200 videos on my channel, and I'm still under 1,000 subscribers. So if you find my stuff interesting, would you please share it, subscribe, all that YouTube type stuff. I'm working to grow this so I can expand and do different things with my business and with my time. And I like making the videos, but to be honest, it takes extra time. Whereas this ring sizing maybe would take me 15 minutes. It actually took me, 40 minutes or longer, plus editing the video, plus doing the audio, the commentary, and what have you. I enjoy doing it, so I'm not going to stop. Although, I would love to see some more growth on this channel. But overall, this is what I do. I size rings, I repair rings, I create custom works, I have my own designs, and so I'm just going to keep turning the camera on and sharing it with you guys who find it interesting.